is a global online gaming platform that brings people together. It's basically like the YouTube for gaming. If you are a gamer on Roblox, then you can play the games already on Roblox, or guess what? You can create your own games. Roblox calls itself an imagination platform because users create the game. And guess what? There are almost 20 million games existing. Just, you know what? Take a second and wrap your head around that for a second. You can play Roblox and never run out of games to play for the rest of your life. Roblox is so popular because it's fun. You can literally create your own games without even having to know how to code. And if you create a game, you can make real money from your game. I'm talking real money that you can keep. Put in your purse, your pocket, your wallet, your, I don't know, bank card, whatever. And if you build your own game, you can add levels, challenges, build a community, and, you know, get your people talking in that community. Come together, see what everybody likes, incorporate it into your game. That way, more people can come and more people can have fun. The platform and most of the games on Roblox are free to download. However, in the game, you can buy cosmetic items, things like facial features, your person, clothes, and other stuff. Anyone can create a free login at Roblox.com, and once you do that, you can access the millions of games on Roblox. There are also premium subscriptions. You can pay to become a premium member, and that will give you all kinds of access to VIPs, bonuses, and all kinds of things. We'll get into that in another video. You are going to love Roblox because it's free to play, easy to access, and there are all kinds of different genres and options to play games. And the games on there are super